Hello, viewers or subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Shpang hapyang uba preston bapan wit uba Hivingston kharpran deki jingkeli haden ya rapsu uba arden uba Hivingston ban bu jingkeli uba preston haba jubab jaga jingkeli uba Hivingston kharpran wemele ka WPP na moring keneng constituency halor ka suro ka ban rus pametar ka bala kamtrai deki sipai ha mausibu uba preston loong bakat kum ki jingtho kane ka suro ka ban rus pametar ha mausibu kadai jungki sipai uba preston loong mula khot ka jingalang bat ki borsipai haka jinga don lang uchip nistar ukurat sama bat ki weki he sarkar banyak ren ya kaneka suro uba preston loong susu ba unsapan bej bat ki borsipai haka bay day bat kaneka suro ba kim day ban khanglat ya ki kali pat ba bakin yai nakaleng uba arden part ulai rap di uba Hivingston bat loong bakila don man kapor ki jinga kan ad jong ki pat ba bat ki sipai kibun ki sipai ki lemeng bha bat ki khen nong wei ki pat ba nong song snong kane ka dei ka jinglong jong ki sipai ka bala panlong ki pat ba bakin isi ki sipai uba arden loong susu haki por bala dep ula le ka kandu ki bor snong ha mau sebut hak ba kila kan tait lut ka jingkam jong ki sipai GTC baka surok handu spak metar ka dei jong ki sipai ki bor snong kila kamru baki don ki kot kisla ban pinsisa baka surok bakam ki sipai ka dei jong ka snong uba arden loong ru baka sinong kalawan nadu kulong kuma ka sinong kala don haswa baki sipai kinwan bat ngiti pikar kombat jaka khanda ka siap nadu unswa ning baki jingtho nakaliang uba arden ula kan tu ka sarkar bakan khoda ka jingalang hapeng ki bor sinong bat ki bor sipai ban sai ki sakhi nadu unswa khnang man tipsai mano balong trai ya ka jaka baki sipai ki kam.
On to the next question, question number 139, brought by Sri Hivingston Kharpran, MLA, Minister in charge, to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 139. Sir, at present there is no obstruction for all types of road users. However, meetings in the level of Chief NWD roads and the GTC authorities have been held several times, and the process of a permanent solution is being worked out, sir.
Your supplementary question.
Yeah, thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. I should thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of roads for the reply. So this is the third time that I raised this issue in this Akos House in a successive session. So I want to, I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister on the newspaper report, which I have with me a copy, which appeared in the New Shillong, or Shillong Times, on the 4th of February 2026. In view of the newspaper report dated 4th February 2026, stating that the district state officer, Kauti, has failed to prove the Army's ownership of the 600-meter stretch. Based on the RTI findings by one activist, may I know from Honorable Deputy Chief Minister whether the government is aware of the matter, what action has been taken thereon?
Yes, sir. I think this issue has been there for so many times, even inside this August House. And in the last session, even I have already replied it very, very clearly that this stretch of 600 meters or plus, it falls under the defense land. That is very clear because all the papers, all the documents have been checked. However, sir, relating to that press report, I am not aware about it. But let me just inform the House that solution is more or less reached to a final conclusion. Sir, yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister has called a meeting where the GOC of the Army also attended. All the officers of the defense and also with the officials of the state government. And in the meeting we had yesterday, I'm happy to inform that the GOC and the Defense Authority has agreed not to disturb or not to create any stoppage of movement of traffic going or coming out of Maushubut village. Sir, very soon we will be able to get the proceeding of the meeting that we had yesterday, and once the proceeding is signed, then necessary direction will be given to the district administration to make sure that the stoppage of traffic movement to or from Maushubut village does not at all disturb.
So, thank you, sir. Do the government agree to concede this secret state that belong to the army without having the valid or legal documents?
Sir, as I've said, in fact, the land document is already there. However, yesterday again we have decided that resolving has to take place to make sure that everybody get the full clarity on the defense land or the civil land or whatever, and we have directed even the district administration along with the Directorate of Land Record and Survey to conduct the detailed survey, and thereafter we will see how this clarity is coming up, sir.
Will you please, when you laid that documents in the table floor of the House, sir? You said that the army has got these land documents. You please lay it in the table floor of the House, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can do that.
Sir, another question, sir. Sir, who was the authority to carry out the repairing and maintenance of the 6th road Aspinall, sir?
That portion, sir, it lies with the Defense Authority. And recently they have completed even the repairing and maintenance work.
Sir. So last few days, last week, that when the Pildi people wanted to start the bridge construction at Wamkhan, which connects Chimta and Papi Badi. So it was reported that the same armies came to obstruct. I mean, they even removed the signboard of the village. So what do you have, sir, to say on this, sir?
Sir, relating to that new bridge construction in that Umkhen, we call it Umkhen River. Sir, yes, we are aware about this issue, because again, it happens that some portion of that land falls under the defense land. Again, yesterday we have decided that the district collector will again go on the ground. The joint inspection has to be conducted, and very soon this issue will also be taken up by the district administration along with the defense authorities.
So I just request the Honorable Teaching, sir, to look into the matter seriously, sir, and to do the needful at the earliest.
Yes, sir.
Barton, please.
Sir, I would also like to supplement some questions. Sir, we had discussed this matter in this House. And as we know, there has been a regular incidents where there is a conflict between civilian and the armed forces. everywhere. The reason is that most of these armed forces, their attitude, the way they conduct with the local people, as if all local people are aliens, you know, and that is the attitude which make the local people not to be able to get along with the armed forces. So last time after we discussed this same matter, I was approached, sir, by the local authorities, where they rejected completely the claim of the GTC that 600 stretch belongs to the defense land. So they also claim that they have documents to prove that it belongs to the village. So as we all know, sir, village has come out since time immemorial. They were existed much before the armed forces came to this place. And we know the land holding system, the traditional land holding system, where hardly we will have, people who are having proper documents, because most of the time our forefathers, they are giving, land right orally only. So they are taking advantage of that situation. So having listened to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, when he said that the solution is almost reached, but I would categorically make a mention in this August House, as far as the mind of the villages and the local authority is concerned, if the armed forces still claim that 600 belongs to them, the solution is nowhere near as far as this land is concerned. So I don't feel that it is right to listen to one party only. It would have been better if the government, together with the defense authority and the village, decide on that portion. So may I know whether the government has initiated any step to convene the village authority together with the defense in the presence of the government to decide and settle this matter once and for all, sir?
Yes, sir. In fact, this issue, as I've already replied, it's being taken up from time to time in the level of the district administration and also in the level of our chief engineer. Both sides, be it from the village authority as well as be it from the defense authority. Sir, I think just to mention here, since I've already replied also the supplementary question raised by the honorable mover of this question, that land document can be placed on the table of the House. I think we don't need to debate much. And I've replied that yes, this land document will be placed in the table of the House, and once the land document is placed, I'm very sure clarity will come out of it. And sir, as mentioned by the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency, by Aden Pasamoit, sir, as I've said, yes, meeting has been held, and we are going to again have a meeting. In fact, last year itself, I called a meeting even with the village authority. We have explained everything. I called myself personally. We had a meeting with all of them, because now the issue is only how to make sure that the traffic movement does not stop or does not create any kind of hindrances to the public at large, especially the villagers of the Mausbut village. So I think this is the real issue where we discuss. So sir, as I just mentioned yesterday, we had a meeting, a very good meeting, very productive meeting under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister. That's why I replied that I think very soon we will come out of this chronic issues where we have from time to time, and I'm very sure we'll be able to resolve it once and for all. And right now, sir, we are just waiting for the proceeding that we had taken a decision yesterday.
Sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister whether the local villages, local authority has been taken into consideration in the course of sorting out these problems, sir?
Sir, again, because see, the issue is about ownership of that portion of land. Last year when I had a meeting with the village authority, I've explained them very, very clearly that claiming the land is not at all possible. But however, the approach, government in all level, we are there with them to make sure that the approach does not at all affect to the movement of the public from or inside the Mausput village.